Hey y'all, it's been a hot minute. We're gonna be doing a get ready with me hair edition today using the ponytail from the Luxe collection. It's the Kinky Straight ponytail. It's 18 inches long. It's a wrap pony, so it's really easy to install. This is what yours will come like if you do order this ponytail, but it obviously once you wash it, the curl pattern will change. But I'm using just some Shine and Jam and some Got To Be gel. My hair is already blown out, and I'm trying to, this middle part is like a permanent part in my head, so every time it's time to like do a style, I have to brush so hard to get the middle part going. But I'm just trying to see where I want the ponytail to go, and then once I have the placement, I'm gonna put the hair tie in, but just to kind of like keep it in place while I add the product to smooth it out. I have been loving this style lately, just anything slick back, because I've realized it comes out so much better when you blow your hair out first. Oh my gosh, so good. And then I love to use the Shine and Jam. This is what I'm like packing on right now because it doesn't make my hair revert back. Like, so it works, okay? And I love it so much. And like I said, it's really quick and easy. This has been my go-to. I know if you follow me on any of my social media platforms, I've been stuck in a slick back something, okay? Especially now that I got this ponytail, it is so handy dandy because it's literally just like you wrap it around and it's good to go. So now I'm just gonna smooth out the Shine and Jam. Like I said, I love this because it does not make my hair revert, and as you can see, I'm smoothing it out. She's not like puffing up too crazy. I forgot to take my edges out, so that's what I'm doing right here, sectioning off my edges. Well, not sectioning them off, but just pulling them out. And then we're gonna continue smoothing. And then I realized after doing this so many times that the gel starts to make my hair revert. So what I've done this most recent time, I've used Got To Be spray instead of the gel. Oh, and she holds, she doesn't move, she doesn't revert. That is much better than the gel, so I would recommend doing that. But now that we have it all kind of like product filled and smoothed out, we're gonna add our hair tie, and then I'm gonna tie my hair back down just because I did notice like with the gel it was kind of doing a little bit of reverting. So I wanted to make sure to tie my hair down super quick. Like I said, when I did this the most recent time with the Got To Be spray, I literally probably only tied my hair down for like a couple of minutes because I really didn't need to, because that spray, girl, please, it held. So yeah, once I have the ponytail in, I'm going to, like I said, throw my scarf back on. And after I tie my hair up, I did braid this. I got a comment where somebody asked like if the braid sticks out in the pony, and it doesn't. Like the hair completely hides it. But now I'm going to work on my edges just because, I feel like in styles like this, I could go so dramatic with my little edges and it don't look crazy because they kind of are like the second star of the show, so it's all good. So yeah, I'm using the edge booster for kinky coarse hair. I find that doesn't revert my hair, but it does not hold. Like, we don't like her, I really don't. But like for styles like this, I use it because it doesn't make my hair revert. But I like the other original Style Factor edge booster. But anyways, so now we're gonna move on to actually installing the pony. And what I do is I take the hair tie and I pull it up, and I take the comb of the pony and I stick it into the hair tie. It is so sturdy, it's not going no place, okay? You make sure you get the comb in there and it's nice and flat. Once you got it flat, you take both sides of the pony and kind of like wrap them and tuck them around each other, if that makes sense. So you'll take the right and then tuck that, and whatever you have of the left, tuck that, and then you take the elastic and then you grab that and then you wrap it around both to make like a complete circle almost, and then you just keep wrapping it around the pony. Now I made sure to kind of like put it a little bit around the base so it really keeps it in place. But yeah, you just wrap the elastic all the way around until it's just hair, and then obviously you wrap the hair as well. And for me, you could use like hairspray if you want, but I was really only keeping this in for 2 days, so I didn't want to like put all of the hairspray on it to keep it all super tight and stuff. So yeah, I'll take the hair and then wrap it all the way around. Like I said, if you want to really seal it with the hairspray, you can. I did that the most recent time that I did my slick back braided pony, and it definitely kept everything in place. But this is the final look. I'm obsessed with this ponytail. It surprisingly, like with all of the product in my hair, the color matches my hair so good, because normally my hair is like a sandy, dirty brown color, but yeah, y'all, this is the final look. I'm obsessed with this pony. If you're interested, the link will be in the description box for you to check it out. Thank you so much for getting ready with me today. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.